So today I mostly bought the same brand. I bought one filter and then one fluffy yarn, but the rest is all the same brand. So what I do when I buy a new color that I haven't used before, because you can see I really like this shade of brown, and then I wrote down the brand name, and then when I was gonna order new yarn, I'd previously bought a few, just one. I previously bought another brown yarn, but I didn't like it. You can kind of see the difference. Basically, this is a bit warmer brown, so I really like that color. So when I was gonna do a new yarn order, when I was gonna do this yarn order, I made sure to look at my collection of cards, check which color brown it was that I enjoyed so much, and then I just bought the same one. So here you can see I just bought the same one, and because I have these little pieces of paper, it makes it way easier to figure out which colors do I already have, which colors do I want, and especially once you run out of something, or if you just, because when I use it I throw away the wrapper, so once you're using it you can easily check, okay, which color am I actually using and how can I order that one again. So this one is already on here, I'm not going to put it on there again. But this grey color is new for me. I do have a really similar grey, which is the Fildar grey. It is almost the same. I think I might actually be comfortable using these, if I run out of this one halfway project, I might actually just use this one. This one has a bit more blue. This one's a bit lighter, colder color, but it is very similar. I don't think people will actually notice, but basically this brand, they don't sell in all of the stores, so it's really good to have an alternative. This brand they just sell in my local yarn store. This time I ordered them online, but normally I just go to the store to buy my yarn, because, well, normally I just buy one or two balls of yarn, but now this is my little quarantine treat to myself. So what I do is I just get a little piece and I snip it off, and then at the right little piece of paper I will add it on there, and then let's see which color it is. I write it down. And then I can throw away this wrapper. I know some people like to keep the wrappers and then just tie a piece of string to the wrapper, but for me, I don't really, I think it's a lot of paper to save, so I don't save the wrappers. I just write down the number and a piece of yarn. So I'm now going to do this with everything that I bought. I already have some extra pieces of paper because it's not all gonna fit on here. all finished with these. So now I can start using these, but I will still remember which color they are, and if one of them runs out and I like the color, I can just order the exact same one without having to look up which color it was exactly online, because I think online it's really difficult to figure out how a color looks exactly, which shade it is. If you look at Katona, for example, this brand, these are both colors by them. It is a very slight difference, but it is a different color from the same brand. So if you're making something with this color and you have to look online to check which color you are using, you're probably not going to figure out what the difference is between these two. So that's why I like having my little pieces of paper. I know that there are also a lot of better ways to organize, but for me, for now, the pieces of paper are working fine. If I run out of a certain color, sometimes I will put a little cross in front of that, just so I know that I've run out of that one. Same with it here. Don't have this color anymore, so I put a little cross in front of it. And that is it. I also have one little one with the colors that I actually don't know where I got them. I was thinking maybe this is actually this one, but it's not the same. So I don't know which brand these are, where I got them. So I really love this color, but I don't know where I would have to, like where I could order it again. So that's why it's really good to take stock of which colors you have and what the numbers are. So do you guys have any organizational tips? Do you guys have any way to keep track of what yarns you have, which one you like? Please tell me in the comments.